Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how machine learning and NLP are used to analyze public sentiment from airline-related tweets. This project focuses on classifying tweets as positive, neutral, or negative, helping airlines understand customer feedback at scale. The dataset consists of thousands of airline tweets, each labeled with its sentiment. Tweets include customer complaints, service issues, appreciation messages, and travel experiences. The goal is to automatically predict sentiment using NLP and machine learning. Before training the models, text pre-processing is essential. We perform tokenization, remove stop words, remove punctuation, convert text to lowercase, and clean unwanted symbols. This step transforms messy text into structured machine-readable data. To convert text into numerical features, we use Count Vectorizer. This converts tweets into a matrix of token frequencies. These features act as the input to our machine learning models. We compare three machine learning models: logistic regression, Gaussian naive Bayes, and the MLP classifier, a type of neural network. Each model learns patterns from the tweet dataset to classify new tweets accurately. Here are the results from our confusion matrices. Logistic regression performs best, accurately identifying most positive and negative tweets. MLP classifier follows closely with strong overall performance. Naive Bayes is lightweight but slightly less accurate with neutral sentiments. Logistic regression achieves an accuracy of around 76%, MLP classifier around 73%, and Naive Bayes around 58%. These results show how different models handle text classification. This system can help airlines monitor customer satisfaction, detect rising issues, improve customer service, enhance brand reputation. Sentiment analysis offers deep insights into customer emotions and feedback. Future upgrades may include advanced models like LSTM, GRU, or transformer-based architectures such as BERT. Using contextual embeddings like Word2Vec or GloVe can further improve accuracy. This project demonstrates the full workflow of NLP and machine learning, from text pre-processing to model building and evaluation. It's ideal for students, developers, and anyone learning AI-powered sentiment analysis. Thanks for watching.